In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually import bank statements into Zoho Books. If your bank doesn't support a direct feed or you prefer to control what gets imported, this guided import is quick and reliable. You'll just need a statement file exported from your bank. CSV is the most common and works great, but formats like OFX and KIF are often supported too. Start in your Zoho Books dashboard and open the banking section. This is where all of your bank and credit card accounts live. Select the account you want to update, then choose Import Statement. Think of this as telling Zoho Books, I have a file of transactions I want you to bring in. Next, click Choose File and pick the statement from your computer. Before you upload, a few prep tips can save you to make sure the file is not password protected, remove blank rows or extra header lines, and confirm the date format in your file matches what you plan to select during import. If you're working with CSV, keep column headers clear, avoid formulas, and check that amounts use the correct decimal separator. After selecting your file, click Next to move into field mapping. This is the most important part. You're telling Zoho Books which column in your file corresponds to each field. Map your date column carefully and select the exact date format used in the file so every transaction that lines up correctly. For amounts, decide whether you have one amount column with positives and negatives or separate debit and credit columns. Map whichever structure your file uses. If you have columns for description, payee, reference, or memo, link those too. They make matching and categorizing much easier later. Skip any columns you don't need. Use the on-screen preview to verify the first few rows look right. Dates should be valid, amounts should carry the correct sign, and descriptions should be readable. When everything looks accurate, click Next to review. You'll typically see a summary with the number of transactions and the date range covered by your file. Take a second to confirm you're not re-importing a period you've already added. If your system supports duplicate detection, keep it enabled to prevent repeats. Finally, click Import. Zoho Books will process the file and add the transactions to your selected account. You'll see them appear in your banking tab, ready to be matched to existing invoices or bills, or categorized with rules. If anything seems off, like dates shifted or amounts inverted, simply remove the imported batch and try again with corrected mappings. And that's it. You've manually imported your bank statements into Zoho Books with clean mappings and a smooth review process.